Do you even wonder why even after writing very good answer you still get less marks? The reason is simple. Small grammar mistakes that sneak in without you noticing it. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you top 10 grammatical mistakes which students generally commit and more importantly, how to fix them up. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Hello and welcome back to Polyven Teachers, where you can learn English in a very easy manner. Whether you are preparing for the school exams or just want to speak and write better English, this video is must watch. Mistake number 1. Using did with the past tense. How? Let's see. He did went to the school yesterday. This is the wrong English. Whereas the correct sentence is he did go to school yesterday. So what is the change? What is the mistake here? The mistake was went. Writing went with the word did. Always remember, when you use did, the main verb should be in the base form. Now coming to the mistake number 2, subject-verb agreement. The sentence is she go to dance class every day. And the correct sentence is she goes to the dance class every day. So what is the difference? What is the mistake we have committed? In the first sentence, we have written she go to dance class every day, which is wrong. Singular subject in third person, that is she, requires the verb with S. It should be goes. With plural subject, it becomes go, only the base form. Now coming to mistake number 3, wrong use of your and your. Now what is the difference? You can see on the screen, your Y-O-U-R and the other one is Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. Your refers to the possessive and you apostrophe R-E refers to you are. So in the sentence, you're going to love this movie is wrong. Whereas the actual sentence should be you are going to love this movie. Mistake number 4. Incorrect article usage. Incorrect sentence is she is an honest girl. Whereas the correct sentence is she is an honest girl. Why? Use and before the vowel sounding word even though it starts with a consonant. In the word honest, H is a consonant letter. The word starts with a consonant but it doesn't have a consonant sound. So H becomes silent. The pronunciation starts with O. So the pronunciation it gets is honest. That is a vowel sound. So an is written instead of a. Coming to mistake number 5, double negatives. I don't need no help. This is the wrong English. Whereas the correct English is I don't need any help. Now why this is so? Because two negatives in a sentence become positive. I don't need no help. Don't and no, two negatives. It gives a positive impact. Whereas the sentence having one negative and one positive gives a actual meaning. So avoid this trap. Coming to mistake number 6, confusing between less and fewer. Many of you must have done this. So less and fewer both refers to small. But where to use what? Like the sentence there are less students in the class today. It's a wrong sentence. The correct sentence should be there are fewer students in the class today. Why? Because fewer refers to the countable nouns and less is used for uncountable nouns. So here in this sentence it should be fewer instead of lesser. Mistake number 7. Mixing up then and than. Two different words pronouncing almost the same but they mean different. Now the sentence is she is taller than her sister. This is a wrong English. Whereas the correct sentence should be she is taller than her sister. So the difference is that then, THEN, then is used for time. THAN, than is used to compare. Here we need the word for compare. Is it clear? Now coming to mistake number 8. Wrong preposition after discuss. Often we say, let's discuss about the plan. This is wrong sentence. Because discuss word itself refers to discuss about. So the correct sentence should be, let's discuss the plan. This is the correct sentence. Remember this next time whenever you use this sentence. Now coming to the mistake number 9. Misplaced apostrophe. Many of us do not understand the importance of apostrophe. The students are studying. Here in this sentence, if you can see, there is an apostrophe mark. This sentence is wrong because when you put an apostrophe, it shows the possessiveness, right? Belonging. Whereas in this sentence, it should be the plural form of student. So the students without apostrophe mark are studying. That is the correct sentence. Now coming to the mistake number 10, the last in this video. Incorrect pronoun reference. Often we use such sentences like when Riya met Shreya, she was very happy. Now this pronoun she, you don't know for which noun it is used, whether it is used for Riya or for Shreya. So this is a wrong sentence. We often commit such mistakes without knowing the rule. The correct sentence should be, Riya was happy when she met Shreya. Here you can understand that she is used for Riya. Now let's do the quick revision, quick recap. So the first one was did plus base verb. Second was subject verb match. Third was your versus your. Fourth was articles, then prepositions and then pronouns. And the last one was add and no doubles, no double negatives. Correct grammar equals to clear communication and clear communication equals to better English, and above all, it generates confidence. Now that you know all these 10 grammar mistakes, I challenge you, go check your notebooks and see if you have made any of them. If you have made, then just try to correct it. There is no harm in committing mistakes. But the best part is you must learn and improve. Because learning is all about correcting and improving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Polyval Teaches. For more such videos, always click the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. And in the comments below, please tell me which grammar mistake you have committed. That's all for today. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving. This is Sagorika Banerjee from Polyval Teaches signing off. Bye bye.